What's up, guys? I'm gonna replace these mounts on the secondary air pump on a 2003 VW Beetle with the 2.0 motor. These little rubber things tend to wear out over time and they crack, and this pump, which sits in this bracket right here, starts to rattle around and get loose, and these hoses might break, and you might start hearing these horrible air noises from your engine bay. It sounds like a jet turbine on an airplane. Chances are one of these hoses is disconnected, cracked, or your air pump has come loose and it's leaking air somewhere. So I bought these from FCP Euro. Shout out to them. They have all the best European parts. That's where I get all my stuff for Volkswagen, Volvo, BMW, Porsche, Audi. They do all that stuff. I buy all my BMW parts from there, and I was able to get these for the Beetle from there. And it's real simple. You just pop off the engine cover, this plastic piece over here. And once you get that out of the way, you pretty much have easy access to this right here. There's one plug, if I could find it, wherever it went. Yeah, here it is. This one plug goes into the pump, and these two plastic hose connections. And all of these mounts, they slip onto these little tabs on the pump. They just pop on there. You see that little hole? Super easy installation. Boom, pop that on there. I've already put two of them on, you can see. There's one. There's two, there's three of them evenly spaced around this pump. And then they line up through these holes here. They slide through those holes right there and hold the pump there. And then, unfortunately, they didn't come with any hardware, but I had some spare bolts and nuts and washers laying around. So I got three little lock washers and a couple 10mm bolts. And it should mount right up into this bracket. So I'm gonna put the camera down and install it, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, just to show you guys how easy that install was, just needed a little 10mm ratchet. I had to use the longer extension one with the little wobble extension here to get this tricky one. It's down in this crack here. It's really hard to see, but if you take the, like this oil checker, I forget what it's called, oil stick out, you can kind of get your hand in on top of this hose underneath this manifold and reach the third bolt, which is on the back here. And I just put the extension in there, 10mm, tighten that down, threw a little lock washer under there just to keep it nice and tight. And as you can see on these ones, it's super simple. It's just essentially like a rubber shock mount. So you have the shock mount, and then it goes through the bracket. You have your locking washer, and then I put the 10mm nut on this side and tighten it down, just nice and firm. Didn't want to over tighten it and rip the rubber or anything. Just be careful on that. And then this plug right here. And so you got one, two bolts, and that third one is down there closer to the engine block. Snap these guys back on, you're good to go. Give it a little shake. You can see it flex a little bit with the motor, but it doesn't go rattling around like it probably used to. So yeah, hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos coming soon. My name's Austin. Peace.